Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find N2 Flip, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, let's open up our settings. From here, we're gonna scroll down to additional settings. Then we're gonna select backup and reset from the bottom, reset phone, erase all data, and you have two options. You can either retain eSIM profile or remove eSIM profile. Now, if you're planning to sell this device, I would then probably tell you to remove eSIM profile. This is basically like taking out your SIM card. So that's what I'm going to select, then just confirm it by tapping on it once more, and this will now begin process of resetting your device. Now this will probably take a couple minutes to finish up, so just be patient, maybe below a minute, and once it's finished, we will then be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.